yesterday. We talked quiet. Time is now 7 o'clock. It's about to be 7 o'clock, August the 4th. No, I had an appointment yesterday with a gastrologist. He's doing good. His weight is picking up. So, from when he left the hospital, but from like when he left the hospital at 67 pounds, he's now at 77 pounds. So he's on a 12% weight gain, which is good. But, you know, still we wanted to go up higher. We're not sure if he's going to be on the NG tube permanently. Like I said, if he starts eating, we probably can take him off. But that won't come until, you know, later. He has an appointment on August the 20th for the nutritionist. So we're going to see how that goes with the behavior eating and stuff. But yeah, so. And then they got to change out his tube also on that day. I don't know how that's going to go. But yeah, so. Other than that, you know, I'm setting up his bag now. So, but he did pick up some weight, so that's a good thing. That's a very great thing, you know, just to hear, you know, a doctor say your son is picking up weight. But I'm up, so I'm about to get him hooked up and get my day started. And start his vitamins up and stuff like that. But yeah, so y'all have a good morning. Be safe. Kids, y'all second day of school, so we're still here, you know, waiting to hear back from the school for my son. He's been accepted in the special education program, but they're saying between 24 to 48 hours, so hopefully I hear something from the school today. So hopefully if he don't go to school this week, he'll be able to start next week. That's what I'm hoping. Y'all have a good day.